Mr. Hossain, a man from Bangladesh, applied for a partner visa to remain in Australia. To do this, you have to make the application within 28 days of your previous visa running out, and you must not have debts to the Commonwealth. Mr. Hossain left his application too late, and he had a debt to the Commonwealth. The minister refused the visa. Mr. Hossain appealed to the Administrative Appeals Tribunal, which made a technical mistake. They should have considered whether he had a debt to the Commonwealth at the time of the tribunal hearing, but instead they considered whether he had a debt at the time of the minister's decision. This was truly technical because at the time of the AAT's decision, Mr. Hossain still hadn't paid off the debt, so the technicality changed nothing. Still, they asked themselves the wrong question, and as a result, it was argued that their decision was infected with jurisdictional error, which means that they lacked the power to make the decision they had made because they hadn't considered one of the key conditions for that decision, his debt at the time of the hearing. The High Court took the opportunity to explore the modern meaning of jurisdictional error, a concept which declined in the 1990s but came screaming back into importance in a case called Plaintiff S157. Chief Justice Kiefel, with Justices Gageler and Keane, expressed the contemporary rule this way. Jurisdiction refers to the scope of the authority that is conferred on a repository. In its application to judicial review of administrative action, the taking of which is authorised by statute, it refers to the scope of the authority which a statute confers on a decision maker to make a decision of a kind to which the statute then attaches legal consequences. It encompasses in that application all of the preconditions which the statute requires to exist in order for the decision maker to embark on the decision-making process. It also encompasses all of the conditions which the statute expressly or impliedly requires to be observed in or in relation to the decision-making process in order for the decision maker to make a decision of that kind. This case confirms the modern relevance of jurisdictional error and its modern definition. Jurisdictional error occurs when a decision maker acts in a way that deprives them of their decision-making power.